Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy Watch 6 at its Unpacked event next month, and a steady stream of leaks in recent weeks have revealed a few interesting tidbits about it, including the possible return of the physical rotating bezel, which was a trademark feature for many of Samsung's older smartwatches before it was removed from the Watch 5 series last year. Now, a new regulatory listing appears to have revealed the identity of the chipset that will power the next-generation Samsung smartwatch. According to a Bluetooth SAG listing, the Galaxy Watch 6 will be powered by the Exynos W930, which will be a much-needed upgrade over the Exynos W920 that powered two successive generations of the Galaxy Watch, including the Watch 4 and Watch 5. Curiously, the model number for the 930 is 5E5515, which is the same as that of the W920, prompting some to suspect that the new chip will just be a faster version of the old SoC. For wireless communication, the chipset requires a supporting RF chip. According to our earlier research, the next Exynos chip for wearable devices would run 10% quicker than the Exynos W920, which might be owing to greater clock speed or improved chip manufacturing. Along with the bigger batteries, the Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic are slated to receive an additional significant update. According to reports, they may launch with tiny LED displays instead of the Super Emerald screens, providing even greater battery life advantages over their predecessors. Meanwhile, Samsung previously confirmed that the irregular heart rhythm notification health component has been approved by the FDA and will be available on its smartwatches this year, beginning with the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6. And today the company revealed more availability details for this advanced Samsung Health feature. In a roundabout approach, Samsung claims the IZRN function, which detects cardiac rhythms indicative of atrial fibrillation, will be available later this summer in more than a dozen locations later this summer. Samsung announced that the single UI Watch 5 upgrade will be coming this summer. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.